So in Google Drive, you might want to share the contents. So for example, if we click on the test folder, and there's two ways to access the share function. There is the little page with the plus symbol on the top right hand side, or you can right click, and then you'll see the same little person and the share sign. So click on that. Then you can individually add people, so you type in their names, or if you created a group of them using Google Groups, do that. Or you can change the setting to restrict it to people or anyone. And if you work within a school, you'll have a third option rather, be a second in the row, get restricted, and let's say anyone within your organization, and then the third option would be anyone with the link. Now if I click anyone with the link, and I'm going to leave them as a viewer, and click done. Now, when you create a new document outside this folder, so I create a Google Doc here. So I've created the Google Doc outside of the folder. If I right click on this to share it, you'll see that it's automatically put as restricted. Now, if I go within the test folder and do the same thing, I'm going to create another Google Doc. Now, when you create something in a shared folder, the created item will be shared to the same people. So if you're using this within a school and you want to have all the parents, children have access to all the same materials, this having a shared folder is the easiest way to save you having to share every individual folder and just gives access to all.